Hello guys, how are you today? I will teach you how to change the hostname of a network switch, and also today we learn how create and remove VLAN in a network switch. Now let's start the video. First I need to open my PuTTY to access my network switch using SSH protocol. Now I put my switch IP address here. You can check the connection type and port. Click on open. Put my username and password and press enter. First we change the host name of my switch. Put the command config T to enter the configure terminal. Here type the command hostname which you want and press enter. As we can see, my switch hostname changed to Sajad. Now I change back to original hostname. I am change my PuTTY display to see better. Next we create a VLAN. Type conf T to enter configure terminal. Type VLAN 365. Type the name of the VLAN office. Exit again, exit. Type show VLAN brief. As you can see, 365 VLAN created with the name of office. Type config T. Type no VLAN 365, press enter. That's it. Exit. Type show VLAN brief. As you can see now, there is no VLAN 365 here. So that's it for now. If you like my video and want to learn complete routing and switching, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to aware about my latest video. Goodbye.